90% of people feel exactly the same like me. Tight neck, painful shoulders, locked up upper back, lower back pain, stiff hips, tight hamstrings, and even your ankles feel weird just standing up. For years, I did roll out of bed feeling broken, like my body had aged 20 overnight. And I finally realized my body didn't need more rest, it needed a better moment. So I create morning mobility routine that I committed every day for 30 days, and let me tell you, it changed everything. No more stiffnesses, no more cracking joints with every step, and the best of all, I actually wanted to move more during the day. And I'm going to show you the exact movements that I did that got me here. Lay on your back. With your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, keep your head resting on the floor or small towel if needed. Gently tuck your chin down, keep the back of your head in contact with the floor, don't lift it up. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and then relax. Sit with your spine in neutral. Perform the same gentle chin tuck. Avoid tilting your head down. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and then relax. Choose position and repeat movement 5 to 10 times in 1 to 2 sets. Sit with your spine neutral, then start rolling your shoulders forward and then backward. Stand tall with your feet against a wall. Feet about 6 to 8 inches away from the wall. Hips, upper back and head in contact with the wall, slightly bend knees for comfort. Raise your arms into a V shape, elbows at shoulder height, bent 90 degrees. Back of your hands, elbows and forearms touching the wall. Tuck your chin slightly to maintain a neutral neck. Slowly slide your arms upward toward an overhead Y position. Keep hands and elbows in contact with the wall as much as you can. Go as high as your mobility allows without arching your lower back. Pause at the top for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly return to the start position. On the first exercise, set the timer for 30 seconds and repeat movement on each way. Second exercise, repeat movement 10 to 15 times in 1 to 2 sets. Lay on your side with hips and knees bent to 90 degrees. Place foam roller between your knees to keep your hips stable. Extend both arms straight in front of you at shoulder height, palms together. Slowly open the top arm, swiping it across your body in a large circle like a windmill. Let your chest and shoulders rotate toward the floor behind you. Your goal is to open your chest fully without moving your knees or lower back. Follow your hand with your eyes. Then bring your head all the way around to return to the start position. Repeat movement 8 to 10 times each side. Start in quadruped position. Hands directly under shoulders, knees directly under hips, neutral spine and relaxed neck. Slowly round your spine upward toward the ceiling, pull your belly button toward your spine, tuck your chin to your chest. Then slowly arch your back down, let your belly move toward the floor. Look slightly upward without straining the neck. Repeat movement 8 to 12 times in 1 to 2 sets. Sit on the floor with both knees bent in front of you. Front leg bent at 90 degrees, back leg also bent at 90 degrees. Both knees and feet stay on the floor if possible. Keep your chest upright. Lean your chest slowly over the front leg. You should feel a stretch in the glute of the front leg. Keep the back leg grounded, don't let it lift. Repeat movement 10 to 12 times each side. Stand tall with your feet and hip wide. Take a deep breath, then hinge forward at the hips to reach your hands toward the floor. Keep a soft bend in your knees if your hamstrings are tight. Place your hands on the floor and walk them forward until you reach a downward dog position, where your hands and shoulders will be wide, hips high in the air, forming an upside-down V position, heels reaching toward the ground, and head between your arms with relaxed neck. Then you can start pedal your feet, bending one knee then the other to stretch each calf and hamstring individually. Put the timer to 1 minute and repeat the movement. Sit down with legs extended. Keep the legs still, isolate movement only at the ankle. Start making slow, controlled circle with your foot. Go clockwise, then go counterclockwise. Move through full range. Point the toes, pull them up, roll through the sides. Put the timer on 1 minute and repeat the movement. How the time counts down, change the side. Stand tall with your feet hip wide apart. Keep your legs straight but not locked, spine neutral and core engaged. Place your hands on a wall for the balance if needed. Lift your heels off the ground slowly, pressing through the balls of your feet. Rise as high as you can. Focus on activating the calves, not rushing the movement. Pause at the top for 1 to 2 seconds, then lower your heels back down under control. In the first exercise, repeat movement 5 to 10 times on each side in 1 to 2 sets. And in the second exercise, repeat movement 10 to 15 times. After 1 week, I noticed I wasn't groaning getting out of bed anymore. After 2 weeks, I could get into the squat deeper than ever before. By the end of 30 days, I was walking taller, more smoother, and honestly, I felt more alive. But the craziest part, it took only 8 minutes each morning. No gym, no equipment, just your intention and consistency. Look, most people will stretch once and expect change, but your body doesn't work like that. Mobility is like daily maintenance. If you want to stop waking up stiff, if you want to feel strong, pain-free and mobile for life, this routine is where it starts. If this video helped you even a little, imagine what could your body feel like in 30 days. Join me, I post every single week new mobility videos right here on this channel. And if you finally wants to move better, feel better and take control of your body, hit that subscribe button and join Build to Move community and drop me the comment below. What is the one spot that feels tight every single morning? Let's fix it together. Thanks for staying with me till the end. If you have a problem with the tight hips, I recommend to watch this video next. Take care of your body and I will see you in the next one. Bye.